केंद्रीय मंत्री एम वेंकैया नायडू को अक्सर लोगों ने हंसते देखा है और सवालों का टू द पॉइंट जवाब देते हुए देखा होगा। लेकिन एक भावुक चेहरा भी है वेंकैया का, जिसमें वो अपनी मां को याद कर रोने लगे थे।
Attend this function, I recollect the memory of missing the photograph of my mother. I lost my mother at the age of 1 year, 3 months. But unfortunately, I could not have a photograph of my mother. I always miss it, and then I could not even imagine how my mother used to be. People used to tell me that she's 5 feet 7.5 inches, fair and very complex and very bright and all those things. But I always feel I miss something. So you can understand the importance of photography by my own experience also. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
दिल्ली में छठे राष्ट्रीय फोटोग्राफी पुरस्कार प्रदान करने के लिए केंद्रीय मंत्री एम वेंकैया नायडू आए थे, जहां अचानक मां को याद कर रो पड़े। वेंकैया ने इसके पहले पुरस्कार पाने वालों को संबोधित भी किया। इसी संबोधन के दौरान मां को याद कर भावुक हुए वेंकैया।
Especially when the people's ability to read and write is not up to the mark. Social media channels are full of people sharing photographs to communicate with us. The maxim of today, everything exists to end in a photograph. That is the maxim today. This is more apt today. And photographs accompanying text always strengthens and augments the impact of your written words. I keep saying that Honorable Prime Minister Modi has given a 3-word mantra. He said, reform, perform and transform. Then I added, let us inform, because I am from the I&B ministry. The photograph is an information with confirmation. That way. Friends, that shows how important these photographs are. I would like to compliment Photo Division for organizing these awards on year-on-year basis. Photo Division is a media unit of the Ministry of I&B, meant for visual support for the varied activities of the Government of India. I am proud to say that it is the largest organization in the country in the production and storage of still photographs. Established in the year 1959, I am happy to note that the Photo Division has more than 10 lakh of negatives, transparencies, and now in digital format right from the pre-independence time and up to the present day, which are of archival and historic value. Apart from documenting various activities of the central government, division has built up an invaluable collection of photographs on different aspects of Indian life, culture, flora and fauna, social and industrial growth. The main function of the division is to illustrate photographically the growth, the development, the social changes in the country. I hope they would continue to uphold this cause for many more years to come. I congratulate the Lifetime Achievement Award winner, Sri Raghu Rai, one of the best-known photojournalists and a Padma Shri awardee in 1972, the first time ever that a photographer was given Padma Shri in 1972. His passion for photography, I'm told, started in 1960s and continues to this day. He is happily engaged in recording contemporary India in all its beautiful facets and is an inspiration for all those who are associated with this. He served on the jury for the World Press Photo and twice on the jury of UNESCO International Photo Contest. This proves his provenness in the field garnered over multiple years of experience. I am glad to note that Raghu Rai has specialized in extensive coverage of India. He has produced more than 18 books, including Raghu Rai's Delhi, The Six, Calcutta, Khajuraho, Taj Mahal, Tibet in Exile, India, and the Mother Teresa. This year's theme of professional category was Skilled India. All this felicitation is to give inspiration. By just calling him onto the dais or giving him a memento or giving the other friends, the amateur photographers also, by memento or a certificate or even a cash reward, is not going to make much difference to them. But this felicitation is meant for inspiration to the new generation. That is the purpose of this program. That's why today, when we have these great people, galaxy of people amongst us, including Raghu Rai and all, they are a great inspiration to the amateur, to the youngsters, and to the new generation, that they can also excel and they will also be complimented if they do good work. That is the purpose of this inspiration. Friends, I am very happy about it. When I attend this function, I recollect the memory of missing the photograph of my mother. I lost my mother at the age of 1 year, 3 months. But unfortunately, I could not have a photograph of my mother. I always miss it, and then I could not even imagine how my mother used to be. People used to tell me that she's 5 feet 7.5 inches, fair and very complex and very bright and all those things. But I always feel I miss something. So you can understand the importance of photography by my own experience also. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।